this open. I low-key kind of like this. Basically, this was my journey during the UPCAT week, and I didn't really study during these times. Full-time student pa kasi ako, di ako makapag-lock in na mag-review sa UPCAT kasi may mga monthly exams pa kami, may mga PTs, may mga modules, tapos may mga events pa. So, it's a very hectic para sa akin. I also don't have a review center. It was just all self-study. I do have the Maroon Blue book. Pero di ko nagalaw yung mga nasa likod. Like, sa unang pages lang ako, yung may formula, tsaka may vocabulary. Ayun lang talaga. Doon lang ako nag-review. Hindi din ako nag-mock-exam. So, it was really unexpected. Well, I recommend not studying. No. However, did this work out for me? Yes. Anyway, this is my UPCAT week. I hope you enjoy. Bye.
My agenda for the week. Today, Saturday, I have an audition for a short film in USJR. And Sunday, tomorrow, I'll take a little rest. Maybe like study for UPCAT because on next Saturday, August 2, I'll have my UPCAT examination. What else? On Monday, I have a webinar and also online classes. Tuesday, I'll have my briefing for a job. I don't know if I'll make it though because it seems kind of sus. Also on Tuesday, I'll go to UP Cebu so that I can scout out where I'm headed and how I'll commute to there. Yeah. So for today. For today. Day 2 guys, here's my fit.
Diba sinabi ko magre-rest day ako sa Sunday? I lied. May biglaang audition pala.
I rewore my paints. This is 8R and this is A4. But my printer ran out, so I needed this. I don't know where I'll put it, but I need it. Moisturize. I'll go at 7. If mawala ako, maglalakad na lang ako, babe.
They called me for a callback. Tama ba? They called me for a callback. They called me back. Basta nung morning nun, parang initial screening pa lang. Tapos, sinabi, balik daw ako ng hapon. Eh, di bumalik ako ng hapon. Ang alam nyo, ang ending, ginost ako. Tapos, after nun, hindi man lang sinabi sa amin kung pasok ba kami or hindi. Bro, we literally waited for 6 hours after that. Like, gutom na ako. Sayang yung pamasahe. Sayang yung energy ko na nalaan doon. Tapos, wala lang din. Nag-ano pa kami doon, parang nag-VTR sa loob ng hotel room ng mga director. I didn't receive any confirmation na pasok na ako, ganito, ganyan. So, I don't know, it was just kind of disappointing. Ang issue nga din tong teleserye na to about sa mga TF and whatever the fuck. Sinasabi nila, nina-exploit daw nila yung mga Bisaya. Anyway, I won't name drop, but ano lang, di ka makapasok if wala kang agency. Ayun lang. I feel so bad for myself here.
Day 3. I just finished eating. It's 11 and I have online classes today. I didn't get to study. I know that I said I'll study for the UPCAT, but I'm too lazy. I don't think I'll pass. So my tummy hurts.
What the dog doing?
I will do my modules today, or maybe study for the UPCAT. I got online class today. I'm wearing my elastics. That's why I can talk really well. I didn't get to go to the job interview because I was about to get scammed. It was front row, okay? And tomorrow we have face-to-face classes, which is great. Yeah, I still don't know if I got the role or not.
Hindi ka nakapasok, be. Hindi. Huwag ka nang umasa.
Today is Wednesday, and I have classes today. Well, I do not look slay, but in real life, I look slay. I'll go today to my class, then no na yung rumi ko.
Do it. Anyways.
Hi, guys.
Kanira yung ganfiran. Kani? Manangwan yung magipasang. Kanarang nani. Thank you, Lord.
Hi! Nani Gansky!
Hala, di mo pakita.
Nani Gansky!
Module 8. Hulo na beauty. Ikaw naman na, ano eh. Default naman na sa yung face, ano eh. Yee!
Grind na mo. It's too big. Okay. Look like I'm injured.
So this was the day before UPCAT. And nagawa niyo pang mag-grocery.
Ako sa kuha ni Jerica. Ni-debut na ko sa iyang channel. Jerica.
Asa ilang? Do, I need chubby bunny. Mag-cashier na. Mag-vlog ko sa atong UPCAT. How are you feeling right now?
I am feeling nervous because of the commuting, not because of the exam.
Same. Wala ko yung natunan sa math. I'm nervous, but not so nervous. Nervous kay dili ko kahibaw unsay padulong and unsay pauli. Not nervous on the exam. How was it?
Ang science kay sure lose. Ikaw, paano kaya magagitara lang nga. Na-solving part sa science mo to. Di ka tawag yun na. Paman kay. Maura. Maura timrag. Sa tarong na lagyan sila.
Ako kay ang math flop na ko ng math. May kani wala kayo kana ganing calculations sa science. Mga 5 ka bukang calculations ata. Wala na ko gansiran. Pero ang math yun, fuck that math. Mas nalingaw ko sa reading comprehension. Muro na yung na kanang perfect og answer tanan. Nya ang language proficiency kay flop na ko.
Ang gamay rin ako blanco kay language proficiency o math. Murag less than 10 ang blanco ng sama.
If I were to rate the UPCAT subtests, language proficiency and reading comprehension was the easiest one for me. Pero time-consuming talaga yung reading compre. Yung science part naman, ayun lang. I understood most of it, pero yung mga calculations sa chemistry, di ko yun nabasa, bro. Like, wala na akong time. Yung math talaga, hindi ko kaya. Filipino, okay lang. Pero yung math, like, last 5 minutes, hindi pa ako nakaka-half. So, ang ginawa ko, spinidran ko na lang. Gumawa ko ng mga sariling formula, pero di talaga kaya.
Nya ako man.
Kaya ganang funny kayo. Ito na ako. Diba sa'yo man ta na ulit sa... Sa'yo man ta na ulit. Buwan sa ako kanina. Ganang pakaway sa ko, scroll para stress ako doon.
The UPCAT results are out. I'm scared.
As you can see, bagong gising ko pa lang. Like, as soon as I opened my eyes, I checked the UP page and bilang andun na yung result. PLB is my dream campus. I put Diliman as my first campus choice and then LB as my second campus choice. I didn't really think that I would get into UP. Like, akala ko thank you na rin yung lalabas. Thank you na green pala po. I'm so grateful and happy that I got it. Ayun na nga. So, when I was looking at the result, I low-key was so happy. But at the same time, I have to tell my dad that I lied to him.
For context, my dad doesn't know that I applied for UP Los Baños. All he knows that I applied for Diliman and UP Cebu. So I have to tell him that.
Luckily though, he forgot that I told him that I applied for UP Cebu instead of UPLB. And here I am.